Did you know an entire country once chose to forget how to make guns on purpose? By the late 1500s, Japan had more firearms per capita than almost anywhere on Earth. Warlords had used them to tear the country apart for decades. Battles were loud, chaotic, and brutal. The old warrior code felt like it was dying. Then the Tokugawa shogunate took power and made a decision that had never been made before in history. They bought up the guns. They restricted who could make them. They let the craftsmen retire without passing on their skills. No law said, forget this. They just made sure no one had a reason to remember, and it worked. For roughly 200 years, Japan lived almost entirely without firearms. The samurai class survived. The social order held. The silence was total. Until 1853, when Commodore Perry sailed into Edo Bay with steam-powered warships and cannons that Japan had no answer for. 2 centuries of peace, one morning to pay for it. No civilization has ever done this before or since.